Hi, in this series of lectures about the alleged oldest human, Jeanne Calment, I am going to tell you the fascinating story about one of the most incredible hoaxes ever. This scam was so good that scientific community considered the truth as a crazy conspiracy theory. Jeanne Calment is officially the oldest person whose age has ever been documented, and her case is also promoted as the golden standard for scientific age verification. She is believed to be the only person to break the biblical limit of 120 years, an inspiring example for all. In the first lecture, I will show how just two old photographs provided the clue to understanding the real cause of death of Jeanne Calment in 1934. And I would like to ask you to help break through the wall of lies by subscribing and sharing this video. After Madame Calment left her apartment and moved into a retirement home at the age of 109, she asked Josette, the daughter of Yvonne's sister-in-law, to burn her photos and other documents. Paris reported that Josette saved only 6 photos from the fire. Some copies were in the possession of other relatives and have also survived. This picture appeared in French and British papers during the 1990s, without the background and mislabeled as a picture of the young Jeanne Calment on holiday. It shows her relaxed, dressed in a highly fashionable baggy pants and carrying an Oriental-style parasol. From audio recordings of interviews, we know that Madame Calment's doctor and validator Victor Lebre had seen a copy attributed to Jeanne.
Vous aviez une grande robe pantalon de plage et une ombrelle chinoise ou japonaise.
Oh, rappelle pas ça.
Vous vous rappelez pas?
Non, non.
Vous posez avec une ombrelle japonaise.
Ah, mais c'était pour l'hiver, à cette époque-là.
Vous vous rappelez de cette époque-là?
Ah bah, naturellement, vaguement, c'est confus.
Vous vous rappelez pas de cette ombrelle?
Si,
Sur la photo, vous étiez éblouissante.
de jeunes, que ce soit des jeunes, on fait toujours des faits.
Vous étiez très séduisante.
This is certainly incorrect. Comparison with other photos confirmed that it was Yvonne, but Dr. Lebre couldn't easily know that at the time. In 2019, relatives of Yvonne's husband shared the original of this photo dated August 1931. Yvonne was on vacation and sent this picture as a postcard to friends and family. It was interesting to find out the location, but how? Madame Calment had told her validators that Yvonne became ill after giving birth to Freddie in the end of 1926, that she was treated in the sanatorium in the Haute Savoie, and that she was not there for long.
Et vous vous rappelez de quand elle a été malade, Yvonne?
Oui,
Vous l'avez soignée chez vous?
au début, après on l'a emmené dans un salon.
C'était à quel endroit?
Encore, alors pas pu. À ce, à savoir, je crois,
Elle y est restée longtemps?
pas tellement. C'est la suite du plaisir.
In 1928, Yvonne's husband Joseph Biot took a 5-year leave from the army, which was partially justified by the health of his wife. When searching for sanatoriums, Nadine Lefebvre, a member of the group of supporters of Calment's longevity, recognized the style of balcony as typical in Lausanne, Switzerland, a resort where wealthy clients were being treated for tuberculosis. Then we managed to identify it as a terrace in the Belvedere Sanatorium there. The current scientific consensus claims that this proves that Yvonne was treated there for tuberculosis before dying in Arles in 1934. But additional findings suggest otherwise.